Car of mass 1300 kg moving on a straight road. Horizontal section, constant speed, resistance force 650. Find the power developed by the engine. Okay, so because of the constant speed, the acceleration is 0. We have sigma f equals 0. This means the engine force must be equal to the resistance force. So the engine force is also 650. The power is force times velocity. So the engine power is engine force times velocity. And the answer must be in kilowatts, so 19.5. Given that this power is suddenly increased by 9. So previously the power was 19.5 kilowatts. In watts, 19,500 plus 9,000. So that's the new power. The velocity is still 30. So we can find the engine force 950. Since we have sudden increase in force here, now it's not balanced anymore. Now we have acceleration. Okay, the acceleration is not 0 but some value a. So to find this a, we use sigma f equals ma. The sigma f is 950 minus 650. The a is 1300 and we get the a. Alright. On a section of the road inclined at inverse sine 0.08 to the horizontal, the resistance is now, the speed is v, downwards, constant speed, engine working at. Find this constant speed. So we have weight vertically downwards. So this is the weight force, m times g, 1300 times 10, we have the weight force downwards. We can always split this weight downwards into perpendicular to the slope, w cos, and parallel to the slope, w sine. We don't really need w cos because we don't have the coefficient of friction anyway. So we have this, we use this for the friction or the resistance force, so we don't use this. Of course, we also don't use this because we have split this already. So we only care about three forces: the resistance force, the W sine, and the engine force. So the engine force is engine power divided by velocity. We know that the engine power is 11,500 in watts. And we are using sigma f equals 0 because this is constant speed, which means we have 0 acceleration. So the forces up the slope equals the forces down the slope. Up the slope we have this, down the slope we have this. We are solving for v. We can this move everything to the left, subtract 140 from both sides, we have minus 40, and we subtract this from both sides, and we multiply both sides by v, and we divide both sides by 20, factorize. We have the positive value, so v is the velocity, which is always positive. We don't use negative velocity here, so the answer is 25. Alright, I'll see you again.